All right, good evening, students. This is the review for your test tomorrow, the second part of your test. And we have an object here that is reflected across the y-axis. And so when it reflects, across the y-axis, your y values stay the same, your x values change their sign. And they want to know what the new value of C is. All right. In this one, look at what the arrow is doing, going down 3 over 2. What will the new coordinates be for point D? All right, and so if point D went according to what this arrow is doing, or what is called a vector. All right, what is the rule for the transformation? Formed by a translation 4 units down. So it's going to go down 4 units and then rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And remember, when you go 90 degrees clockwise, your y value changes its sign and becomes the new x, and your x value becomes the y. At 90 degrees, oh, I'm sorry, this is clockwise. My fault. Said it wrong. When you go 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees clockwise, your y value becomes the x, and the x value changes its sign and becomes the y. All right. Then what is the value of a? Well, I can find the values in here, and solve for a. All right, what are the alternate exterior angles? Again, alternate on opposite sides of the transversal, exterior outside of the parallel lines. And then next one, which angles are alternate interior? Just the opposite, where you have a transversal, parallel lines, alternate interior. Next one. Which angles are which angles are corresponding? So like 5 is to 7, 6 is to 8. Corresponding angles. All right, what is the definition of a point? All right, it has no height, length, or depth. It's just a place. All right, what type of angle is this? It's either acute, it's either straight, it's either obtuse, or it's right. And so, you guys should know and be able to look up which ones are which. And then what angle is supplementary to 87 degrees? Go through these. Oops. Well, where'd my other ones go? Oh, sorry, hang on. My fault. Oh, I need to pull these up. All right, so here are the other questions, and what I'm doing here is, again, just letting you see what these look like. Giving you the answer. All right, you still have to work them out, but what I'm going to do tomorrow for the test is just hit the refresh button I think it's right there. All right, and all of these numbers will change, but they'll be the exact same type of problems. So for here, these are alternate interior, so I know I can set these equal to each other and solve for x. That's my goal, solve for x. These are same side or consecutive interior, all right, and these equal 180. All right, so I can set all those up equal to 180 and solve. This one, this is an exterior angle outside, of the triangle. So if I add these two up, it's going to equal that. And again, solve for x. All right, and then this one, what is the value of x? The measure of 2 is x plus 96. All right, so I know that I can solve because both of these are equal to 180, and then I can split and make these two angles the same. All right, there's a lot of ways that you can solve for this, okay? So just either work your way backwards, all right? That's probably the best way, actually. It's taking 180 from here, splitting it in two, find these. Once you find these, you'll be able to find that, all right, and solve. All right, and then base angles. So they want to know what x is. Well, if this is 65, what do I know about this? Okay, and what's that part right there? All right, tangent of angle z, the tangent, all right, the ratio, okay, tangent of angle z is on O is first, goes on top, okay, so it is opposite over adjacent, opposite over adjacent, cosine, all right, cosine of z is adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, cosine of c, all right, cosine, all right, adjacent, okay, what's the adjacent side, all right, over the hypotenuse, all right. Find the measure. So I know that when I have a parallelogram, all of these equal 360, and I can solve for x. Okay, and this one, solving for a, all right, and it's this one right here, and so I can set all these up and solve. All right, that's what your test is going to look like tomorrow. Yes, I do expect you to watch this. This is something that is for your benefit so that you know exactly what the test is like tomorrow. So anyway, and for extra credit, okay, I am going to be asking what is the only wonder of the world, or what's the only no, I don't think I'll ask that one. Let's see here. What would be some good trivia questions for you? Just trying to think right off the top of my head. I've had my mind is kind of sapped right now, and so, let me think. All right, I think I got them. What is the largest lake in the world? What's the lake at the highest elevation? And what two rivers flow north? Okay, so largest lake in the world, all right, lake at the highest elevation, okay, and which two rivers flow north, and those will be the extra credit. All right, hope you have a good day. I will talk to you guys later and see you tomorrow.